was known as Papa Denke. The whole town of Münsterberg trusted him. He helped carry coffins at funerals. He handed out food to homeless men who knocked on his door. He sat in the same church pew every Sunday. For years, nobody looked twice. Then in December 1924, police arrested him after he attacked a man on a train. They searched his apartment, expecting very little. What they found stopped them cold: pots of pickled human flesh, jars of rendered fat, leather goods made from human skin, and a ledger, a handwritten ledger, organized by date and body weight, recording over 30 people. 30 people, logged like inventory. He had not acted in a frenzy. He had kept records, careful, patient, precise records. While his neighbors called him gentle, while the church welcomed him every week, the men who knocked on his door looking for food never left. And for years, not a single person suspected a thing. That is the part that stays with you. Stay in the creep loop. Follow for the next case file.